Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 2009 to 2014 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove your truck's bed. Begin by cutting off your leaf spring hanger and any obstructions in the work area. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Our part features a perforated plate on the front and back of your frame section to fit over your existing spare tire cross member. To fit your frame section onto the frame, remove the plates at this time. Then, with a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts retaining your exhaust hanger. Step 4. Slide your rear frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear frame section into place before welding the part on fully. After welding on your frame section, take your leaf spring hanger and hold it up to the frame where it was originally located. Once in place, weld your hanger back onto the frame. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. With a 10mm socket, reinstall your exhaust hanger in your truck's bed. Then you're done.